Yeah, I'm doing email marketing for the last 5 to 6 years, and specifically, if you are asking me about cold email marketing, it's been 2 to 3 years I am here in this industry. After the launching the campaign, the next thing is like the reply, positive reply, how we are going to do this. So we
Yeah,
make sure that we get the meeting booked. Yeah, that's the process basically.
yeah. That's basically it. So essentially, it's drafting the campaigns and then handling the positive replies and creating bookings from those positive replies. The more bookings you get, the more kind of like commission you get as well. My only interest in all of this is to get as many bookings as possible. 1 to 5 bookings per week is going to be $5 per booking. 5 to 10 bookings per week is going to be $9 per booking. And then if you get above 10, it's going to be $12 per booking.
Okay.
Okay, great. It was really nice to meet you, Sharif.
Yeah.
And yeah, welcome to the team.
Yeah, you
I'm the company
informed me.
owner.
Yes, you are sick. Yeah, I can understand that. So how are you now? Now
Yeah.
it's much better.
Yeah, I'm better, thank you. Yeah. Yeah, basically the purpose of this conversation is to kind of run through so your experience and also the task or the role that we're looking for you to potentially fill.
Yeah, I'm doing email marketing for the last 5 to 6 years, and specifically, if you are asking me about cold email marketing, it's been 2 to 3 years I am here in this industry, and for the past 1.5 year, I am using Smart Lead, and also I used Instantly, Rich Inbox, and Lemlist and others for the last 3 years of my journey in cold email. At first, we select some domains and email accounts for the infrastructure build-up. Then we are doing all the setup DNS records to make sure that we land in the inbox, not in the spam. Then once everything done, then we get connected all those accounts to Smart Lead, and set up also custom tracking domain for the better performance. And then we warm up those accounts, because you know that we cannot send emails right away, uh, because it
Yep.
yeah, all the provider can mark as spam, that they are just creating accounts and start sending emails. So we basically do it's a minimum of 2 weeks is recommended. The more we can, it's better, but a minimum of 2 weeks of warm up is good. Then
Yeah.
to start with the campaign, we then go for the lead collection. um, we use basically some B2B lead providers, something like Apollo, Clay, Story, Zoominfo, Crunchbase, and so many. And there are also some manual process like Google lead scraping, also LinkedIn Sales Navigator, or some other provider. What you prefer, we can go for that. Then once our
Yeah.
leads are ready, then we go for the
Yeah.
lead verification process, because you know that those provider provide leads, they claim that it's verified, but actually those are not actually verified. So we do verify those to reduce the bounce rate and protect our domain and email accounts from getting burned away. So we verify those, and then everything is ready. Then we go for the email copy. If you have the email copy, it's fine, we can use that. Or if you want me to help as well, in that case I can do that also. Like in that case, you will give the brief of your business, like what your offer or something like that. Then I can come up with the templates, and then we um, both sit down and decide that this is the perfect template, or this is the offer that we are going to piece. And once we both agree, then we start the campaign after 2 weeks. At first we start slowly, then like not in the full volume, then gradually we
Yeah.
start sending in full volume day
Yeah.
by day. And after the launching the campaign, the next thing is like the reply, positive reply, how we are going to do this. We can do this in both ways. For example, if you have a CRM, I can put the positive leads into your CRM, and from there on, yes, you or someone from your team can take care of the leads, like booking the meeting. My duty is to book the meeting, and then you guys take care of the leads to close the lead. And another formula is like, if you are not using any CRM, then we can give them your Calendly link or something, so that they can book a meeting in your calendar. Yeah, that's the process basically. And I can also, I have the sheet, or I have the template, like positive lead sheet, where we follow up until they book a meeting. For example, if we get a response, they something like that, they want to know more, or whatever the CTA, it depends on the CTA. So then we follow up until they book a meeting, sometimes 5 times, 7 times, no matter what's the number, because we don't want to lose our positive leads. So
Yeah.
we make sure that we get the meeting booked. Yeah, that's the process basically.
Yeah. So the main thing will be drafting the campaigns, for which we have previous campaigns that we've ran in the past and previous examples. So it's just a case of kind of using those, to create the new campaigns, using those as templates. And then the key thing there is to also, for the positive replies, to get them booked in. So that task would also be with you, to get those leads booked in from the positive replies as well.
Yes.
That's basically it. So essentially it's drafting the campaigns and then handling the positive replies and creating bookings from those positive replies.
How many domains and email accounts are there in the infrastructure right now?
So let me see how many we've got. 47 email accounts.
47, yeah.
So ultimately, if you're able to book in, multiple calls per week for us to close using cold email, then you're going to be doing a good job. Okay, so that's ultimately where we're trying to get to, is multiple bookings per week, like as many as possible. And in fact, your payment structure is going to be, stacked, so that the more bookings you get, the more kind of like commission you get as well. So if you're high performing in being able to get lots and lots of bookings, then it's going to benefit both you and us all together. We're all going to win together as a team.
Yeah, I know this, and I completely agree with this.
And we essentially offer them like a solution to bring them more clientele. Okay, we offer them systems and solutions in order for them to acquire more clients. If you're able to, if you know methods of increasing personalization, like segregating the lead lists and increasing personalization using, I know that sometimes people can use Excel templates and stuff like that to really increase personalization, then I'm open to your suggestion. My only interest in all of this is to get as many bookings as possible.
So how many
Yeah.
emails you are sending right now per day?
So each inbox, I think we're sending 50 per inbox, so 50 times 47 or 50 times 50 is 250 emails a day. You will be in charge of these inboxes, this 47 set of inboxes.
Okay, so
Yep.
your lead source basically, what's the source?
The lead source, we've used a bunch of different scrapers. So we've used like D7, we've used Apollo, we've used Lead Swift, just lots and lots of different lead scraping software in order to be able to acquire our leads, and then we've cleansed the lead lists, etc. I think we've got like 100,000 leads or something ready to go.
Okay, that's a huge number. Yeah. If in terms of email part, I will say that when I will take the charge, I would love to inspect all the things before taking the charge, like before going for the campaign. Actually, I want to run an audit by myself, so I can suggest you if there's any suggestion. Please be patient for the initial stage, so that I can adjust myself to your infrastructure. Okay.
Sure. So you mean just to, whilst you're understanding how we've set up our infrastructure, do you mean?
Yes, like how everything is going, like in cold emails and Facebook, like what's your process, and let me just for the first few days to like check everything so that I can go in.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
So what I'll do, I'll send everything over to you in terms of SOPs, etc. And I will also grant you access to our smart lead.
Okay.
Usually we run Facebook and Instagram ads for them. And we use a CRM system with automations in order to convert those prospects into customers for them.
Okay.
Um,
But at last, we can discuss about the like payment or something, like how things going on.
yeah. So the first month we're going to use as kind of like a trial period. For just the base pay, regardless of how many bookings you get, it's going to be $3 per hour as an absolute base pay.
Okay.
And then per booking, which you should be getting multiple bookings like per day, per week, etc. It goes up exponentially the more bookings you get. So 1 to 5 bookings per week is going to be $5 per booking. 5 to 10 bookings per week is going to be $9 per booking. And then if you get above 10, it's going to be $12 per booking. So as you can see, it goes up and up and up and up and up. Okay, great. It was really nice to meet you, Sharif. And yeah, welcome to the team.
Yeah, thanks for your compliment, and let's see what we can achieve together.
Sounds great. All right, enjoy the rest of your evening.
Okay,
I'll catch
thank
you
you
later.
so much. Just give me the access. I will walk through a bit, and we can contact via WhatsApp. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you. All right, take care.
Okay,
Bye bye.
take care. Bye.